Good morning everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin is still at $90,000 guys. We're gonna have a look why currently I am sitting in a long position and also gonna give you some updates on some pre-sales that came out in the last couple of days and also some of them that are already over. So we're gonna have a look into that guys, and of course I'm gonna keep you updated about Tether King, this crypto game that currently is going viral. As you can see, over 550 people are playing it already. We're gonna have an update on that as well guys. Also later today I'm going to buy one of the most expensive buildings there as well. I'm gonna do an update video there as well guys and tell you my update. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Check out all links in the video description to the newest hyped upcoming cryptos. Then of course also Tether King, this crypto game is linked here, and also all exchanges that I'm using, especially MEXC Global guys. Currently on MEXC Global, if you are anyway trading for the next 8 days, we have this special New Year's event going on guys. Don't miss it out, because if you anyway are having a high trading volume because of leverage, for example, if you're trading with leverage of Bitcoin or altcoins right now, then if you reach a certain amount of trading volume, as you can see, you can get a drone or the newest Apple iPhone 17 Pro, or this card that you can use. I think this is like the MEXC Global black metal card that you can get with a very high limit spending and stuff like that. So check it out guys, because if you're reaching a certain amount of trading volume, also here 35 millions to get one of these, you will randomly, for example, get the handheld or glasses or this arcade and so on. So make sure to be trading here guys, because right now this is a special event which you don't maybe have to have luck to win one of those prizes. You just reach this trading volume within the days and then you get those prizes. So if you're a good trader, then take advantage of that. And next to that, of course, you're gonna get a lot of tickets here that you can win at the same time, also some cryptos here as well. So definitely take advantage of that guys. And yes, with this metal card, as you can see, you can get $2,000 airdrop on top of your card that you can use to spend for whatever you want. And therefore you have to first sign up with my link to MEXC Global. The link is here in the video description. Also, if you have already an account, just create a new one, because here you can also start to trade without KYC, and then register now. Register to this event in order to participate here. You have to, of course, open up new trades. All trades are not valid here unless you're closing them, for example, after you registered here. Then of course they're also going to will be valid for this trading event here as well. So those are prices that you anyway will get if you reach certain levels. So don't miss out guys, especially if you're a good trader. And then of course when it comes to new hyped upcoming cryptos, also here I'm gonna tell you just quickly some of them that are upcoming next, because this week a lot of them came out and that's why I'm gonna give you this update video. Remember, everything is no financial advice guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. I'm just showing you my own opinions and my own analysis, my own reasons why I'm investing in certain coins. Here in Switzerland today it is snowing a lot guys, so perfect to do of course some gaming videos like Tether King and of course some Bitcoin TA, because anyway I am already in a trade. I told you guys that the next buy signals in the 4-hour and 3-hour time frame I'm going to take them. Currently of course we are still at the support here, so we're more or less where my entry is at around $89,000 to $90,000. But the problem was, of course, because of the daily time frame. Here I told you that after the sell signal up here, we came down and the target is already reached at around $90,000 to $89,000. The problem is that the indicators are only by now coming down. So here we need some more consolidation time above our support here in order then to expect here a nice big leg up and continuation to the upside once the indicators are cooling off here a bit on the daily time frame, because we were looking a bit toppy. But I told you guys that on the weekly time frame we are looking extremely bullish, because here we are about to print a very good buy signal. The bullish cross is happening probably next week, I guess. We will see, because over on the CME chart we already closed yesterday this candle and you can see that we are about to cross it. It is possible that next week this is going to cross, and once we have that in my Phoenix Force indicator, you can see that the last time this happened in oversold condition was basically after this last big corrective phase here. The same thing happened also over here. We had this big crash and then we weren't in oversold condition, but also here once we had the bullish cross we have seen a nice continuation to the upside, and the same was also here. For example, bullish cross, and then for many weeks we have seen only upside. And this is exactly what I'm expecting also here next, that Bitcoin in the next coming weeks will face here a lot of upside, at least to test to at least test $102,000 to $103,000, where we have currently the 20 weekly and 50 weekly moving average lining up. On the spot chart, we still have to wait for this candle to be closed tomorrow evening, on Sunday evening, but also here it looks like that we're gonna close bullish as long as we close above the 100 weekly moving average at around 87k. I still expect, guys, that we're gonna see something like that, a big run up and then rejection somewhere, then crash down, and maybe towards the end of this year that we're gonna go to new all-time highs. I'm still expecting more something like that. We also have the year of the horse in 2026, and in the past, in the year of the horse, Bitcoin was in 2014, had also a very similar condition like right now. So in 2014, when 2014 started, was exactly here. So after the cycle top was in 2013, we entered into the same year of the Chinese, the year of the horse. And you can see what happened. This was basically just a relief rally into the 9 monthly moving average before the big crash. And then next year, in the year after, we have seen then this big multi-year bull run starting. And this is exactly what I'm expecting also to be upcoming next if history repeats. If not, then of course we can go straight to new all-time highs right now. But therefore, I told you we need to break the 9 monthly moving average, which is also sitting at the same price level like the 50 weekly moving average and the 20 weekly moving average at around $103,000 right here. If we push above and have monthly closes above, then yes, I think new all-time highs incoming. If we get rejected here, it's very likely that the run is over and that we will roll over and come probably back down towards the support down here, more or less at around $60,000 to $50,000 during this year, and then start a completely new bull run probably in 2027 or something like that. So we will need to bring a lot of patience, of course, if that would be the scenario that is upcoming next. So if you want to trade those things, guys, MEXC Global is the exchange right now. And also when it comes to new cryptos, if you want to buy into new cryptos, currently there is still Bitcoin Hyper that needs to come out. We have MEXC Doge, this new meme coin with Dogecoin that is upcoming, then Liquid Chain that we can buy in right now, still very early stage, and we can stake it for 2,500%. If you're interested in risky new coins, guys, of course they are high risk, but of course if they're playing out well, then of course buying right now with this high staking reward, you're gonna get a lot of tokens that you can then immediately claim and sell at launch if we're gonna see somehow a pump. And the links are here in the video description, and you can see that, for example, Pepe Note came out. The game is not out yet, but you can already trade those tokens directly here on DEXs. So on DEXs, it's already out. It came out this week, and you can see that immediately the coin pumped. Of course, we had here a pump and dump at the beginning. It dumped also a lot, and now we are recovering again. So brace for big volatile moves here, guys. Whenever you're buying into such new coins, they of course they can pump nicely here. I mean, here 220% up, and it is very low market cap, so we will see what happens with this one. I have my coins. I want to play the game, same like Tether King. I want to play those crypto games, especially when you can earn their own tokens or USDTs like in Tether King, or also get airdrops in form of meme coins like Pepe, Fartcoin, Dogecoin, and so on here on Pepe Note. Then also we have DXRP, which is finished. So the pre-sale is completed, guys. We are waiting here for the launch. I also bought into these new decks like Aster or Hyperliquid. It will come out. You cannot buy anymore the coins. This is over. You have to wait now for the launch. If you're looking out for something like that, then Hypersui is of course still available. So Hypersui is also going to be the next, like Aster and Hyperliquid alternative, but built on top of Sui. And here also we can buy in at this price here, a bit more than a cent, almost 1.5 cents, and the listing price will be 9 cents. So also here, if you're looking out for a good DEX, then of course Hypersui could be one for you. All of them you're gonna find here in the video description: Liquid Chain, Bitcoin Hyper, Hypersui, and so on. Check it out, guys, if you're interested into those new coins. And for Tether King, guys, this one here I'm playing since the beginning. Remember, it was less than 100 people playing. Now we have over 550 players here, and I'm gonna do a bigger update today because I know that many of you are playing already this game. And you can see also my kingdom is getting bigger and bigger. I'm earning 410 gold per hour and 410 gems per hour. This is currently 41 cents per hour that I'm earning, and I can of course at any time also here every day cashing out. Every day I'm getting around $10. My goal is to get $200 per week, and then I don't have to tune in here every day. But every day I can tune in, do fights, and of course build up more and more buildings. The only one that I don't have from them, of course the 3 big ones, which are very expensive, I don't have yet. but the crossbow range, this is the one that I want to buy today. So make sure to tune in later on. I'm gonna show you how to buy that, of course, and how to build that, and how to you can here basically earn some USDTs passively. So make sure to be tuning in here, and if you already want to start to play the game, the link is of course here in the video description for Tether King. And also I'm gonna put the videos at the end of this video here as well if you want to check them out. But that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I'm currently long. Yes, I'm expecting here a big bounce. Next few weeks I'm expecting big upside for the crypto space, guys. So stay tuned, be subscribed here, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.